When it comes to planetary weather, Neptune is a paradox. Despite being the most distant planet from the Sun, it hosts the most extreme atmospheric activity in the solar system. Winds reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour tear through its skies, faster than any hurricane on Earth, faster even than the speed of sound in some conditions. This begs the question, how can such a distant icy planet be so violent? Uranus, which is closer to the Sun, is actually colder than Neptune. That fact alone overturns assumptions that distance from the Sun strictly determines planetary temperature. In reality, Neptune has a secret. It radiates more than twice the amount of heat it receives from the Sun. This internal heat source is likely the key to Neptune's dynamic atmosphere. While the Sun plays a role in driving seasonal changes, something deep within Neptune is stirring the pot. Scientists believe that pressure within its icy mantle, composed of water, ammonia, and methane, creates friction and releases heat. This energy rises, fueling powerful convection currents that churn its upper layers. The result? Giant storms, massive jet streams, and turbulent cloud bands. The most famous of these is the Great Dark Spot, observed by Voyager 2 in 1989. This storm, roughly the size of Earth, was a swirling vortex of high-speed winds. Unlike Jupiter's Great Red Spot, however, Neptune's storm systems are transient. They appear and vanish over just a few years. Neptune's blue hue, while visually stunning, is not just for show. It's caused by the absorption of red light by methane in its upper atmosphere, while blue light is scattered outward. But that tranquil appearance masks a world of chaos beneath. The planet's magnetic field adds another layer of intrigue. Like Uranus, Neptune's field is sharply tilted and offset from its center. It too exhibits a corkscrew-like tail and undergoes rapid variation as the planet rotates. Such irregularities suggest a complex interior structure, perhaps a conducting shell rather than a central core, similar to the theories proposed for Uranus. Despite its distance and mystery, Neptune continues to fascinate astronomers. Telescopic observations from Earth have tracked changes in its weather patterns, storm development, and seasonal shifts. Yet a dedicated mission has yet to return since Voyager 2's historic flyby. Scientists are now calling for a Neptune orbiter, possibly with an atmospheric probe or lander. Such a mission would provide the kind of long-term data we saw with Cassini at Saturn. Until then, Neptune remains a cold frontier with a warm heart. At Infinity Beyond, we explore the extremes, worlds that defy expectations and force us to rethink the rules of nature. Neptune is a place where fire and ice coexist, where silence meets speed, and where mystery fuels our curiosity.